Hey, welcome back to Kukit's Art, and let's draw drift mask again, but this time it's gonna be in a spray form. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this spray, and to begin we're gonna start out with his eyes, and I guess this is gonna be the third time I'll be drawing this mask, but this one's a little bit different. It's a little bit more stylized. So let's start out in the middle here in the corner. I'm just gonna draw in curve going up, and it's gonna be symmetrical, so that's probably the hardest part. So we're gonna slant up on this side as well, and then once we have that, we're gonna slant and just come back down. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit of sharper point here on the edge, so come down. All right, so it's almost like two leaf shapes. So once you have that, we're gonna draw in the inside line. So this one's gonna be pretty much the same, a little bit simpler. Okay, so inside I'm just gonna draw in line, and it's a little bit crooked, but let me shade it in real quick so we can see. So it's very difficult to draw things symmetrical, so don't worry about it if yours is a little bit lopsided. Okay, so that's gonna be the eye shape. So let's move down into the nose. So the nose, you can actually draw, just come down the corner, you can make two little circles like this, little dots, and then we're just gonna connect it with a smooth curve. And I'm making it a little bit thicker because that's how it is in the spray. So once we have that, we can move on to the mouth. So the mouth area right here, we just draw one, it's almost like a sad face. Okay, and then we're gonna come down, just kind of draw another line on the bottom here, and I'm gonna be shading it in. So once you have this, we're gonna slant up and then go up all the way to about here. So just for placement, so we're gonna slant up and then another slant, okay, right about here. And then now we're gonna come out, slant down pretty far out past the eye. I know this is very, very tricky. So once you have this, now we can finish it off. So we're just gonna hook it in. Okay, and then now we're just gonna give this line some thickness. So start in the corner, just gonna come all the way around, just follow that line. This part's easier. Okay, and let me shade it in real quick. It's a very cool mask design. Okay, so from here, now let's finish up the whole mask on the side. But before we do that, just come down in the middle. I'm gonna draw one line across, and then come down. Okay, just like a little bracket. And then now we're gonna draw in the side. So on the corner of the eye here, okay, right about here, we're gonna come down, slant it down past the corner of the mouth. So same thing here on the corner of the eye. Slant down. Okay, and then once we reached here, we're just gonna connect these 2 points. So you should get a nice slant like this. Okay, and if you're off, you can always adjust this shape, right? Okay, so that's the side of the face. So now let's go up and let's see, let's add in a little bit more details on the eye. So right here in the corner, come out, come down, and then curve it into the eye. So we're gonna come up, slant down, curve into the eye. Okay, so this part's gonna be a different color. It's kind of that pinkish color. And on the corner here, we can add in just one little triangle shape. Okay, so let's move up, and this part's a little bit tricky too. So right here, we're gonna continue this line. I'm gonna draw a line like that. Okay, so just gonna continue that. And then let's draw in a triangle like this. So this is also gonna be pink. So we're drawing a nice little triangle like this. And then now we're gonna draw the inside of the ear. So right above this line here, just draw another line or curve. And then now we're gonna draw the inside. So we're gonna go up and curve out. So both sides symmetrical. Okay, and then for this one, we're just gonna curve all the way up. Just kind of straighten out and meet up to that corner. So curve, just straighten it up. Okay, so that's gonna be the inside of the ear. Okay, so in the middle here, now we're gonna draw in the top of the head. One curve. Okay, and now we're gonna draw in the rest of the ear. So we're just gonna follow this. Just gonna go up. Gonna follow that curve, come all the way down, and just kind of close it off to that point, to the corner of the eye again. Okay, so we're gonna go up, come back down, and just meet up to this point again. Okay, very tricky shape. All right, and then for the inside, this part's a little bit easier now. So in the middle here, we're just gonna draw in a huge V, very steep V. Angle it in, and then we're gonna go out with a bracket here. So just drawing like a diamond shape. And then inside, just we're gonna follow it. So it's gonna be another diamond shape. Okay, and then right here for the brow area, just drawing like a little oval like this. Okay, so start here, just go up, just come back down. Okay, so on the top here, this is gonna be the hoodie. So we're just gonna draw one line across. So that one's easy. And then now let's finish up the side of the hoodie. So we're gonna come down here, we're gonna extend that line. Come down. You just curve it down. And then just kind of go all the way down. So these parts don't have to be too straight because it's supposed to be kind of like cloth. So now on the side here, we're gonna come down quite a bit. Come out. And then we're gonna come down on each side. And then we're gonna connect here, but just go up. Just give it a little bit of angle. Okay, and then to close it off, we're just gonna close this off. So all this is gonna be black. And I'll probably add in a little bit border here, make it a little bit thicker. But then you gotta draw in some of these stripping. So just gonna draw one big one here, and it looks like there's gonna be another one here. Okay, and then on this side as well, come down. Okay, and then he's got some little, I don't know what this is, but it's like black marks on the side here, look like, just for patterns. Okay, so dot. And then some here too on this side. And that is it for this very tricky to draw spray of Drift's mask in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.